I just woke up. I just woke up. I need a cup of coffee. I need a cup of coffee. I'm getting ready for work. I'm getting ready for work. I'm running late today. I'm running late today. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I'm very busy right now. I'm very busy right now. That's a great idea. That's a great idea. Let's have lunch together. Let's have lunch together. Could you say that again? Could you say that again? I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. What are you doing tonight? What are you doing tonight? I'm going to bed now. I'm going to bed now. I'm watching my favorite show. I'm watching my favorite show. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful day. I'm feeling a little tired. I'm feeling a little tired. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. I don't understand this. I don't understand this. What time does it start? What time does it start? See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help.